minutes.
Okay.
Tell you what, you see that black knob?
That.
Yeah, can you turn it clockwise? So this needs to get to about 1,000 or over 1,000 degrees, and then when I squash them together using something called solid state fusion, the two pieces will become one piece of steel. Because this is the cladding, then I've got the core steel, which is the high carbon steel, and another piece of this. It's the same cut off. Stick that on top, so you have a sandwich of steels. Clean that off, get some borax, drop this on, down, and get that one hot. I'm going to drop the next one. These glasses frames were made in 1940 and they've never been used. And I got them from a guy in somewhere online who sells vintage glasses frames. And they're actually safety glasses. And then I'll do another one with this piece onto one of these to make a single bevel knife, which is a more kind of traditional Japanese style, kind of like one of these. So this is unfinished, but it'll have a single bevel, by which I mean it'll have a cutting edge just on that side. That's nearly ready. Just need to make so this bit.
Oh, okay.
And that first forge there. You can't see the 3 layers, so that was 3 layers now to become one piece. So next bit I'm going to cut in to draw out the tang, this bit here. So let's just work. So this is the tang. I'm going to cut this off so I can forward the front of the blade. And they check my blood out, it's 26% carbon monoxide in my blood, which is like somebody who smokes over 60 cigarettes a day, which is not smoking. So they kept me on oxygen for 2 hours. It's not very pretty at this stage, but well, that's how I can just tidy this up, ready for the next one. Forging the shape, that's fine. So let's see if I can. Quite a big chef's knife, that's the idea. These are examples from Japan of knives that failed, and a friend of mine in a shop in London called Cutter Up, amazing Japanese knife shop, the owner of your kitchen, who gave me these knives that he was given in Japan. You can see there where they've welded the two layers together, there's a split, so that was a reject. So I use this as a model for other knives. Same with this one. This is a sashimi knife for slicing, bits of sashimi for making sushi or whatever. And this also is a reject. You see there's a tiny crack there. You can see that. So that's where the two layers, I'm doing 3 layers, the 2 layers didn't join properly. So I want to look at thickness basically till it needs to be about half as thick as that at the tip. So I want this to be about maybe 240 millimeters. I think on loads this is maybe 220 at the moment. Yeah, 220. So there's loads of material there. It'll probably be over 240, but I'll trim it down a bit. That's about 250 millimeters, which is good. It gives me room to chop bits off. And I'm just going to put it into anneal, which is the thing when it goes in the sandy stuff. I'll soften and then I can cold forge it to make the surface shiny. Okay, because I really like that switch.